Seeing your sign in the mirror every day can be a powerful tool for manifesting your desires. It's about creating a routine that aligns your thoughts and actions with your goals. Each morning, look into the mirror and repeat affirmations that resonate with what you want to achieve. Statements like, "I am worthy of love and success," or "I attract abundance into my life," can set the tone for your day. By doing this regularly, you'll begin to internalize these positive messages, making it easier to recognize opportunities and take actions that bring you closer to your dreams. When you start each day by looking in the mirror and repeating your affirmations, you're not just speaking words, you're setting intentions and reinforcing them in your mind. This practice can help you focus on what you want to achieve, making it a vital part of your manifestation process. By seeing your reflection, you're connecting with yourself on a deeper level and reminding yourself of your goals and the steps needed to achieve them. Affirmations can cover various aspects of your life. You might affirm good health by saying, "I am healthy and full of energy." For financial goals, you could say, "I am open to receiving wealth in many forms." These declarations help shift your mindset from doubt and scarcity to confidence and abundance. And as you continue this practice, you will start noticing subtle changes in your thoughts and actions that align more closely with your goals. Maintaining consistency is essential. Saying these affirmations only once and then forgetting them is not the goal. By gradually replacing any negative self-talk that may be preventing you from moving forward, the regular repetition helps embed these thoughts into your subconscious mind. Your brain gradually begins to accept these affirmations as true, which can cause changes in your attitude and behavior. In addition to affirmations, visualization is another powerful technique. While looking in the mirror, visualize yourself achieving your goals. See yourself living the life you desire. This mental imagery can be incredibly motivating and can help bridge the gap between your current reality and your dreams. When you can see it in your mind, you start to believe it is possible, and your actions will follow suit. Another important aspect of this practice is gratitude. While you're standing in front of the mirror, take a moment to express gratitude for what you already have. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. This shift can raise your vibrational frequency, making it easier to attract positive experiences and outcomes. Affirmations, visualization, and gratitude together create a powerful trio that can transform your daily routine into a manifestation ritual. This ritual helps you stay aligned with your desires and keeps you motivated to pursue them. It also helps to keep your mind focused on the positives, reducing the impact of negative thoughts and external distractions. Your daily mirror practice can also serve as a time for self-reflection and self-care. It's a moment to check in with yourself to see how you're feeling and to acknowledge your progress. This self-awareness is crucial for making adjustments and staying on track. It's not just about looking at your physical reflection, but also reflecting on your mental and emotional state. As you continue this practice, you may notice that your confidence grows. Affirming your worth and capabilities every day can help you develop a stronger sense of self. This confidence can be a catalyst for taking bold steps towards your goals. When you believe in yourself, you're more likely to take action and seize opportunities. And it's also beneficial to tailor your affirmations to your specific goals and challenges. For instance, if you're working on overcoming a particular fear, you might say, "I am brave and capable of handling error." If you're striving for a specific career achievement, you could affirm, "I am a successful and respected professional." Customizing your affirmations makes them more relevant and impactful. Maintaining a positive environment can enhance your mirror practice. Ensure the space where you do this is clean, well lit, and free of distractions. You might also consider using a mirror that you find aesthetically pleasing, as this can make the experience more enjoyable and something you look forward to each day. It's important to be patient with yourself during this process. Change doesn't happen overnight, and there may be days when you don't feel as positive or motivated. That's perfectly okay. The key is to be consistent and persistent. Even on tough days, showing up for yourself and continuing the practice can reinforce your commitment to your goals. As you make this a daily habit, you'll start to notice shifts not just in your mindset, but in your physical environment and relationships as well. The positive energy you cultivate within yourself can radiate outward, influencing how others perceive and interact with you. This can open new doors and create opportunities that align with your desires. You might also find it helpful to keep a journal of your affirmations and the changes you observe. Writing down your thoughts and progress can provide clarity and serve as a record of your journey. This can be particularly encouraging on days when you need a reminder of how far you've come. Over time, this practice can become a cornerstone of your self-care routine. It's a way to start each day with intention and positivity, setting the tone for the hours ahead. By committing to this daily ritual, you're making a promise to yourself to prioritize your well-being and to actively work towards your dreams. The mirror becomes more than just a tool for reflection. It becomes a portal to your best self. Each time you look into it, you're given an opportunity to affirm your worth, visualize your success, and express gratitude for your journey. It's a small, simple act that can have a profound impact on your life. As you cultivate this habit, you'll likely inspire others around you. Your commitment to positive change can be contagious, encouraging those in your life to adopt similar practices. This collective positivity can create a supportive environment where everyone feels empowered to pursue their goals. In the end, the practice of looking into the mirror and repeating affirmations is about more than just achieving specific goals. It's about fostering a loving, supportive relationship with yourself. It's about acknowledging your worth and potential every day and believing in your ability to create the life you desire. Consistency in your mirror practice helps solidify the changes you want to see in your life. Each day as you commit to this routine, you reinforce new beliefs and behaviors, which gradually replace the old ones. This process is akin to building muscle. The more you practice, the stronger your positive mindset becomes. In addition to affirmations and visualization, incorporating deep breathing exercises can enhance your mirror practice. Before you start your affirmations, take a few deep breaths to center yourself. This helps calm the mind and prepares you to fully engage with your positive statements. Deep breathing can also reduce stress and increase your focus, making your practice more effective. Pairing your affirmations with physical actions can also strengthen their impact. For example, if your affirmation is about confidence, stand tall with your shoulders back and head held high as you say it. This posture can reinforce the message you're sending to your brain, making the affirmation feel more real and achievable. Using specific present tense language in your affirmations can make them more powerful. Instead of saying, "I will be successful," say, "I am successful." This small shift in wording helps your mind accept the affirmation as a current truth rather than a distant goal. It creates a sense of immediacy and urgency that can propel you toward your objectives. It's helpful to be clear and specific about what you want to manifest. Instead of a vague affirmation like "I am happy," specify what happiness means to you. "I am happy and fulfilled in my career," or "I am happy and connected in my relationships," provides a clearer picture of your goals and makes your affirmations more focused. To deepen the impact of your mirror practice, you can incorporate positive self-talk throughout your day, not just during your dedicated time in front of the mirror. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, consciously replace those thoughts with your affirmations. This helps reinforce the new beliefs and keeps your mindset aligned with your goals, even outside of your mirror practice. Creating a vision board can complement your mirror practice. Place it somewhere you see regularly, such as near your mirror. Visual reminders of your goals can help keep you motivated and focused. When you see these images daily, it reinforces your affirmations and helps you maintain a positive outlook on your journey. Setting aside a few moments each evening to reflect on your day can also be beneficial. Think about the progress you've made, acknowledge any challenges you faced, and affirm your commitment to continue your practice. This evening reflection can provide a sense of closure for the day and set a positive tone for the next. Staying flexible and open to change is crucial. While consistency is important, it's also essential to adapt your affirmations and practices as your goals evolve. If you find that certain affirmations no longer resonate with you, feel free to adjust them. Your practice should grow and change with you, ensuring it remains relevant and effective. It's important to celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Each step forward, each positive shift in your mindset deserves recognition. Celebrating these moments reinforces your progress and keeps you motivated. It reminds you that the effort you put into your mirror practice is paying off. Your environment plays a significant role in your ability to maintain this practice. Keeping your space tidy and organized can help create a calm and focused atmosphere. Declutter your surroundings to reduce distractions and make your mirror practice a peaceful, enjoyable part of your day. Hydration and nutrition also influence your mental state. Staying hydrated and eating balanced meals can support your overall well-being, making it easier to maintain a positive mindset. When you feel physically well, you're more likely to stay committed to your mirror practice and other positive habits. Incorporating movements such as stretching or light exercise into your routine can also enhance your practice. Physical activity can boost your mood and energy levels, making you more receptive to your affirmations. Consider doing a few stretches or a short walk before your mirror practice to invigorate your body and mind. Don't forget that this practice is about progress, not perfection. There will be days when it's harder to stay positive, and that's okay. The important thing is to keep going, even when it's challenging. Each day is a new opportunity to reinforce your positive beliefs and move closer to your goals. Journaling can be a powerful addition to your mirror practice. Writing down your affirmations, thoughts, and feelings can help you process your emotions and track your progress. It provides a space for self-reflection and can serve as a tangible record of your journey. Finally, practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and recognize that change takes time. Acknowledge your efforts and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Treat yourself with the same kindness and patience you would offer a friend. This self-compassion is a vital component of maintaining a positive mindset and staying committed to your mirror practice. The power to manifest dreams and desires lies within daily habits and affirmations. Standing in front of a mirror, repeating positive affirmations, visualizing goals, and expressing gratitude can create profound changes. This practice helps build confidence, reinforces new beliefs, and aligns actions with aspirations. Now, what steps will be taken today to start manifesting dreams? Share thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If this message resonates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit. Together, let's spread positivity and empowerment.